Hey everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet a simple and quick earring pattern. It's perfect for anyone looking to make a stylish accessory in no time, even if you are a beginner. Let's jump right into it. We will start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. And then we will insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with our magic ring. In the first round, we are going to work 10 single crochets into the magic ring. So insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the single crochet. Again, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have 2 single crochets over here. Just like that, we will continue. Now I have completed all 10 single crochets into the magic ring, and then we will pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like so. Now we need to make a slip stitch to join the round. So we will go into the very first single crochet of the round, and I'm going to keep this tail at the top of the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed our first round. We will start with round 2. I'm going to work over this tail on this round so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. Now chain 8, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Now I have completed 3 chains. Like that we will continue. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then we need to work 1 double crochet in each one of the next 2 stitches. So yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch here. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the double crochet. Again, we will make another double crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then make 1 double crochet into each one of the next 2 stitches. This is the first double crochet into the first stitch. And then we will make another double crochet into the stitch after that. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then again work 1 double crochet in each one of the next 2 stitches. 1 double crochet into the first stitch and another double crochet into the next stitch. Again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then work 1 double crochet in each one of the next 2 stitches. 1 double crochet and another double crochet into the stitch after that. Again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. After that, We will work a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point. This is the third chain. So we will insert the hook into the third chain, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the round. This is what it looks like. And then we will start with round 3, that is the outline. I'm going to work 8 single crochets into the chain 5 space here. So insert the hook into the chain 5 space and work the single crochet. This is the first one. This is the second single crochet. Like that we will continue to make 8 single crochets. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then I'm going to insert the hook on top of the second double crochet here and work a slip stitch to join. This is the pattern we need to repeat. Work 8 single crochets into chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then work a slip stitch on top of the second double crochet here. We will just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. This is the end of the round. Now we will join the round by working a slip stitch into the starting point of the round. Leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. Now we have completed the crochet part of the earring. And then we will use the yarn needle to hide the tail like this. Now we will see how to assemble all the pieces together to complete the earring. After completing both the pieces, we can take one of the jump rings, open it up using the pliers and attach it to the stitch here, and then we will slide the second jump ring also in and close it with the pliers. Now you can take the hook ear wires and open it up. We will slide it into the second jump ring here and secure that with the pliers again. Now we will repeat the process and complete the second earring as well. There you have it. Thanks so much for crocheting with me today. I hope you love your new earrings. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will never miss a new tutorial. Happy crocheting and see you in the next video.